Ge3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory. Let's see how to install Numpy. First, open the web browser, type Python. See the first link, welcome to python.org. Click that link, click downloads. You can see download the latest version for Windows 3.10.2. Click that. .exe file is downloaded. Double click. So listen properly. You want to tick that add Python 3.10 to path. Then click customize installation. Then check all this is selected. That is documentation, pip file, IDLE. Pip file is very important because after install the pip file, then only you can install all the packages. Then click next. Then select all these. Then click install. Python start the installation process. It will take 2-3 minutes to install. So let's wait for that. After install the Python properly, then only you can install the Numpy. Right? And while installing, the pip file is very much important. That is a package management. Successful. Click close. After install Python, go to the start. Type cmd, command prompt is opened. First we need to find the version of Python. So type py space hyphen hyphen version. Python version is 3.10.2. Then we need to know the pip version. So type py space hyphen m space pip space hyphen hyphen version. Now you got the pip version, that is 21.2.4. If you didn't get this version, that error message will come. So you need to reinstall the Python. Okay. So now let's see. Let's install Numpy. So type py space hyphen m space pip space install space Numpy. Enter. So Numpy is installed. Now let's try with a small example. Okay. So we want to enter with the Python. So type Python, enter. We entered. Import is a keyword which is used to access the package and modules. So Numpy, import Numpy. Then variable is arr, which is equal to numpy dot array of. I entered some elements, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then close the bracket and print that variable, that is arr is accessed. Then enter, you get the output 1, 2, 3, 4. Already I said that is a Numpy is used to access the arrays. So in the array format we got the output. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you all understood the concept of Numpy, how to install Python. Inside the Python, how we can install the Numpy. Thank you.